Have you started solid food for your baby? If so, does your baby feel difficulty while passing poop? Or your baby has dry and hard stool? Then it is constipation. In today's video, I am going to inform you everything about constipation, the science, the cause of constipation, and also mainly the foods that leads your baby to constipation. Before that, if you are watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get update whenever I post a new video. Constipation isn't just about how often your baby poop. It's also about how tough it is for your baby to do it. If your baby has soft, easy to pass stools for every 4 to 5 days, then your baby is probably okay. But if your baby had a hard time going, or seems uncomfortable, or having hard stools, or doesn't poop at least once in every 5 to 10 days, then your baby is constipated. At first, let us watch what are all the causes for constipation. The first one is solid foods. If the baby is not getting enough fluid in their diet, then constipation occurs for them. It is more common in babies who have been introduced to solid foods and sometimes formulas. The second one is dehydration. Babies may not get sufficient fluid even if they are on breastfeeding or formula milk. In such case, the water content from the bowels is absorbed into the body, which leads the poop to be harder. The third one is milk protein allergies. The dairy foods consumed by the mother can pass on to the child who might have milk protein intolerance. This could lead the baby to be constipated. The fourth one is hormonal imbalance. If the natural hormones aren't released in a balanced manner in baby, it can lead to constipation. Now let us watch the signs of constipation. The most important sign of constipation is that the poop is hard or looks like marble. The other signs are baby cries often and looks uncomfortable before doing a poop. You can sense a bad smell in your baby's poop. The baby will not eat as much as before. And also, your baby will have a hard belly. Now let us move on to the main concept of this video. Foods that leads your baby to constipation. New mothers are unaware of the foods that cause constipation in babies. Some foods may be nutritious but may constipate the baby. In this category, the first food that comes is applesauce. Apples can cure constipation effectively. However, too much of applesauce can make things worse. Too much of applesauce makes baby stools firmer and leads to constipation because it contains pectin protein which hardens the poop. The second one is rice cereal. Rice cereal causes some difficulty and discomfort to baby while pooping because it has a binding effect due to its low fiber content. We can gradually introduce rice and other cereals into our baby's diet. The third one is milk or soy milk. Some babies are allergic to milk protein and their digestive system feels discomfort to digest those proteins, which leads babies to constipation. The next one is cooked carrots. Carrots are fiber rich food and healthy. But when cooked, the fiber content gets reduces. So, the boiled or cooked carrots are not easy for the baby to digest and may lead to constipation. The next food in this category is white bread. White bread is made with all-purpose flour and it is low in fiber. Fibrous foods are known to improve digestion. However, white bread lacks fiber in substantial quality and can cause constipation in babies. The next food is cheese. Cheese is an excellent source of many essential vitamins and minerals, and it is a superfood for babies. However, cheese and other dairy products are low in fiber and can cause constipation. The next one is potatoes. Potatoes has high complex carbohydrates like starch which are hard to be digested, which leads your baby to constipation. The next one is formula foods. Formula foods consist of ingredients that are difficult to digest which might result in constipation. It may contain complex proteins that may harden the poop and cause constipation to your babies. The last food in this category is other binding foods. Some parents feed their children fast foods like french fries or piece of chicken nuggets or hamburgers or pizzas. Foods that are high in fat can cause constipation. Also, foods loaded with sugar such as cookies, candies may cause constipation. As a new parent, we should understand that baby's diet will determine their bowel movements. So, prepare a healthy diet chart for your baby and feed your baby according to that, which may prevent your baby from all type of pooping problems. That's it about today's video. If you like this video, please give a huge thumbs up and share to your friends and all the new parents you know. Your hit on the like button will drive me to do more videos. Meet you in next video with next good content. Till that, bye bye new parents.